Hey guys, what's up? This is Nate here, and in this video I'll be covering the new features found in Android 4.2 Jelly Bean on my Nexus 4. So this is the latest version of Android that is also shipping with the Nexus 10, and both of these devices were released from the Google Play Store last month. So Android 4.2, just like Android 4.1, is a minor software update that brings some nice features to give the overall Android experience some nice polish. So let me go ahead and demo the first feature here, which is lock screen widgets. So you can see here when I turn the device on, those little rectangles that appear on the side. So if you slide to the left or right, you can see these widgets that are here. The one all the way on the right is a camera widget, so that'll take you right into the camera application if you want to take a quick photo. So let me go ahead and add another widget here, slide on over, and if you tap the plus icon, you can choose from any of these widgets here. You've got calendar, digital clock, Gmail, messaging, and sound search. So we'll just add the sound search widget, and you'll see it'll appear right there. So if I'm on the lock screen, I want to find out what song's playing, I can quickly access that, which is very nice. The only downfall I see to these widgets here is the fact that you can only have one widget per screen. So even though I have more real estate here to use, I can't add anything else. Same goes for here. You can only add one widget per lock screen, which kind of stinks. And if you want to rearrange the order, you just hold down and you can go ahead and change which one appears on the main page there. And if you want to remove it, just drag up to remove. Sorry about that. So those are the lock screen widgets. Next thing I'll show you guys then is gesture typing. So if you've ever heard of swipe, it's very similar to that. Basically how it works is you slide your fingers in between the keys. You don't actually have to pick up your fingers, and it will go ahead and type the word for you. So now that's baked directly into Android 4.2, which is pretty awesome. So let me go ahead and just open up Notes here, and I'll demo this for you guys. So I'll type Android Jelly Bean. So I'm not all that great at typing this way, but I think if you get used to it, it can be a pretty fast way of typing things into your device. And now that it's baked directly into the operating system, you don't have to go ahead and get swipe because it's available directly for your use. So the next thing I'll demo for you guys is quick settings. So you can access quick settings in one of two ways. The first way is just to open up the notification menu here, tap this icon, and you'll have quick access to brightness, Wi-Fi, carrier, battery, airplane mode, as well as Bluetooth on or off. You can head back to the notification menu by tapping that icon right there. The second way to do it is just by dragging or sliding down with two fingers, and it'll take you directly into here. So this is a nice feature to have so you can save some time without having to go directly into the settings application itself to change these things. The next thing I'll show you guys is the changes in the camera application. So there's this new photosphere mode here, and basically this is kind of like taking a panoramic shot, but you also get an entire 360-degree view, which is pretty cool. So unlike with panoramic mode where you're restricted to left and right movement, you can now move the camera up and down as well. So if you've ever taken a look at the Google Street View with Google Maps, this is basically kind of like what you're doing. You've got a 360-degree view from a single viewpoint, which looks pretty awesome. And basically you've got this interface here where you'll start to take the photo, and it'll line it up with a ball here in the center that'll appear, and it'll go ahead and just stitch all the photos together to create that photosphere photo. The next thing then is with the camera interface itself. It's got a new look, which I think is pretty cool. So if you tap and hold down, the interface will appear. So you can have all the options then for your camera. So you can choose between the rear and front facing camera. Got the HDR mode. You can change between auto flash on or off, and you just select any of those options, and you've got all your other camera options down there at the bottom as well. So that's a pretty cool interface. So those are the main new features here with Android 4.2 on the Nexus 4. Now one feature for tablets is now multi-user support. So just kind of like on the computer where you can log in with your own username, have your own applications and settings and things like that, you'll now be able to do that with Android 4.2. So each person can have their own widgets and applications and things like that, which is pretty cool. Now if you're planning on using that, you'd probably want to get a tablet with a lot of storage on the inside for all the apps that people are using. But if you're going to be sharing a tablet with a family or a company for work, I think that's a pretty cool idea. So those are the new features in Android 4.2. Let me know which one is your favorite in a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.